So this is the very popular Trader Joe's Mandarin orange chicken kind of frozen meal, and I would love to try to recreate it. So we're gonna make it right now. We're baking it, and then over the weekend I'm gonna try and do my own version that is probably gonna be better than this, but we'll see. We'll see if we like it. So essentially this is chicken nuggets, I guess. So there definitely is some breaded element here that we'll have to recreate. I think it's chicken breast. And I guess we have these 2 sauce packets that we heat up. And people online kept telling me that 1 was enough and that 2 is just a lot. So we'll see if that's true. It's gonna go in the oven at 400 Fahrenheit. Yummy. So we got our rice, we got our cooked chicken, and our sauce. We're gonna put it all together and try it. I'm just tossing it, and I don't know who said 1 packet is enough. I feel like 2 was the perfect amount because we need to get this fully covered. A product for Trader Joe's. I added some furikake seasoning online also from Trader Joe's, so we're gonna try it. Now we're gonna do it my way. So here are the ingredients I'm using. I've got broccoli, ginger, soy sauce, garlic, and sesame oil, sugar, an egg, flour, rice, and an orange, for the sauce. And of course we're using chicken thigh, which is gonna be better for baking. So first we have to bread the chicken, and this is just a classic method where we're dipping the chicken pieces in flour, then egg, and then breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs this is panko, wasn't in the original ingredient shop, but I blitzed them really quick in the food processor to make them finer. So that's an optional step, but it definitely helped, get that texture that's similar to the Trader Joe's version. So yeah, you can also do this with tofu, by the way, and instead of using egg, you can actually use non-dairy milk, and it works just fine. So this kind of took a while, definitely not as quick as the Trader Joe's version, but totally worth it. And we're popping that right in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's just gonna bake and get all crispy and good. Next up, we're making the sauce. So first I'm sauteing garlic and ginger, and then I'm adding all the sauce ingredients, which I mixed in a measuring cup. And that's just gonna cook and simmer and thicken as it heats up, and it'll be delicious. What I love about making sauces from scratch is that you can taste as you go, and you can add and adjust different ingredients to get it exactly how you want it, which is not something you can really do when you're buying a prepackaged meal. Now our chicken is done, and we are going to add it to the sauce, which is the same step as in the Trader Joe's version. Exactly the same here. Adding all that chicken, getting it nice and coated. Looks amazing, and it smelled so good, guys. I cannot wait for you to try this. And on the side, we have our steamed broccoli, just very simple kind of steamed sauteed broccoli and rice. And then you put it all together, and there is your Trader Joe's inspired meal. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching.